So I've placed the bridge on, positioned it, marked around it with a scalpel with a number 11, always a new number 11 blade. Now I'm going to route the finish off. And I've done a little test cut, and you can see that it's just touching the wood. Always have tape on because it protects the top from, dragging the Dremel over. I won't do it all, but that's how I do it. And not sure if you can see, but yeah, you can see that I've the scored line here. So I'm going to get a dogleg chisel and go right up to that edge. And the dogleg chisel is this. Can't really focus on this. And that's the code 21/6. And so I can't do this one-handed, so I'm not going to try because it's such a dangerous job to do when you're not 100% focused, but just very carefully use the dogleg chisel and go up to that scored line. And the other trick is you just have to make sure that that scored line, this is hard to position, you have to make sure that that scored line is down to the wood or very, very close to it, and just make sure the corners are nice and cut, because if you dogleg up to that line and then try and lift up the finish, sometimes I've seen students, never me, but students, if that isn't cut nicely, it pulls up just there. And that's bridges 101.